Hey, what's up everybody? So today is such an exciting day because I finally found out that the vanity that I've been looking for is on sale, like nearly 50% off. And so my husband and I just decided to go ahead and finally redo our basement bathroom. So I'm on my way now to go pick up both of those things, and then our faucet's getting delivered tomorrow. And so I'm going to take you guys along this journey, do some before and after pictures. So stick around and hope you like it. Okay, so I secured the goods. The box was absolutely ginormous, so I asked them to take it out of the box, and I'm hoping that it's fine. I'm currently at Starbucks because Floor and Decor is literally right next to it, so, and I have a little time to chill before I get the tile. So yeah. Okay, so here is the before of the bathroom. Our basement is a combined design of what my husband and I like, and so he likes superheroes, so that's why this bathroom is superhero themed. He gave in and said, all right, you can have a normal design of a bathroom. So I said, all right. So now we're here. And as you can see, we have peel and stick tile that I put on before we moved in, and I never finished it, but I'll go on about that here in a second. This bathroom had absolutely no storage, so I added this little table for hand soaps, extra toilet paper, etc. As you can see next to the Batman flag. We are keeping the light and the towel holder. I spray painted the light before we moved in to make it black, and it turned out fantastic, so that's why it's staying. But this bathroom is all builder grade, so everything that you're seeing is going. So now I go into detail of the peel and stick tile. Honestly, it was pretty hard to do, mostly because I didn't have the right materials. So if you do it, just make sure that you have the correct materials. Otherwise, it will not be a fun time. As you can see, there's like some cut up spots where I had to go back and fill in because I didn't cut it the right size. But if you do it correctly, you will be just fine. All right, let's get started on this reno. So step one, taking everything out of this bathroom. These canvases and artwork will find a new home in our house, and the little cabinet will probably be gone because the vanity that I chose has so much storage, which I am super, super excited about. So ripping up the peel and stick tile was absolutely satisfying, but it was also a huge workout because these things were stuck down pretty good. And later on in this clip, you'll see me struggle as I take off more because my feet were sticking so bad to the actual floor. So I recommend keeping one tile down so you can have somewhere to step, because it just gets really bad and pretty funny. So yeah. So this was my first time ever taking down a mirror like this, and I've seen on TikTok people do this. So I was like, well, if they do it, I gotta do it. And so as you can see, I'm starting to unscrew the bottom part, which was a big no-no because then I absolutely lost my mind when it started to fall down like that. And so Thankfully it did not break, but definitely unscrew it from the top first, then do the bottom. And no one told me that, so I had to learn on my own, which is fine. And that's what renos are all about, is just learning new things and how to do them. So my uncle did most of the reno work. He did the tile as well as installing the vanity, and I didn't really get a lot of him on videotape, but he did a fantastic job and he is so quick at what he does. I'm so thankful for it. So a couple days have passed and I really wanted to challenge myself and do a lot of this myself. And so I took off the toilet paper holder, which was pretty easy, but then also really hard because I had to break off the other one because for some reason it just would not come off. And so I was really thankful to get it off without breaking the wall at all. So yeah, now you see me puttying up the wall and all of the other places around the bathroom. Now we are finally on to painting. This was a job in itself. I felt so sore afterwards. I don't know if I should be embarrassed about that, but this was really hard on my body. I don't know why, but it turned out really great. The color is a lot warmer than the previous white. It almost looks like I'm barely painting anything, but there really is a difference. Now, I honestly don't know why I didn't really go in the order of painting. Like, you'll see me do the trim, then I'll do the wall, then I'll do the trim, then I'll do the wall. So I don't know why I didn't just do the trim first and then paint in. But yeah, you'll see me go back and forth, but who needs rules? So now it is the next day and I am cleaning the floors. Finally, I have been waiting for this moment the whole time since they've been laid, because now the fun part is approaching us, which is decorating. I was so proud of myself for hanging up these shelves and actually doing them correctly, because honestly, I've never done anything like this before. Usually my husband helps me, and so I put on my big girl pants and did it myself, and it turned out super good, and I'm so incredibly proud of myself. Okay, so you guys are sitting on the new shelf, and it is officially time for the fun part, which is the decorating. So let's get started. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and comment your favorite part of the video. See you later.